your child doesn't like to drink milk, I will show you how to make a very tasty drink with milk. This drink also has vitamin A, B, C, D, E, fiber, magnesium, potassium, iron. For someone who has anemia, iron deficiency anemia, this is perfect for you. Blend walnut and cashew nuts. Don't throw over ripe banana, you can use it. Put it in the blender. Blended nuts, 1 glass of milk, 1 tablespoon coconut powder. Now 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Honey is optional. Mix it very well. Wow, it's ready. Enjoy your drink. Hi.
大丈夫な。